This is a very urgent Bitcoin update as the price of Bitcoin in just a few minutes has dumped down about 5%, only to get a pretty significant bounce right from a key level. And I want to talk about exactly what we need to expect for the rest of the week and for the rest of May, because this is very crucial. We're going to be diving into the chart, so make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell for notifications, because we are bringing you the most timely and the juiciest Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. Now, the Bitcoin price is bouncing right from this key level of support. This is the trade setup we were looking at in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we wanted to see the price come down below the level of 26,925 with bullish divergences on the 2-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame, the 24-minute time frame, and the 12-minute time frame. And as you can see, this is exactly what we have gotten here. And in my opinion, the price action is setting up for more movement to the upside. However, what happens here is very, very crucial. Now, let's talk about why we got such a drastic move today. Well, today was the CPI data release, and we were expecting a move to the upside to wreck all the shorts and a move to the downside to wreck all the longs. If we take a look at the video I made this morning, this is what we had to say about that.
When we get these volatile events like this, we need to be thinking to ourselves, what is going to wreck the most people? Obviously, we have a lot of people who are short here and they have their stop losses above this area. And obviously, we have a lot of people who are long here who have their stop losses below this area. That means if I'm a big player in the market and I'm looking to fill a big short order, well, I need a lot of people who are willing to buy. And what better way than to run the price up, get a whole bunch of people to FOMO long, stop out a whole bunch of shorts, which is actually a market buy order, adding liquidity to the market, and that allows me to fill a big short order to push the price down. The opposite is true. If I'm a big player looking to fill up a big buy order, I need a whole bunch of sells coming in. So in order to do that, we could stop out a whole bunch of longs, giving us a lot of market sell orders, probably enticing a lot of people to FOMO short as well, which could then reverse the price against everybody, wrecking most of the retail traders. But those of us who are prepared and have a plan in advance, well, we will be the ones benefiting from this price action.
And that is literally exactly what happened, right? We got the big move to the upside, enticed a whole bunch of people to FOMO long, and then we stopped out all those shorts, boom, drop it to the downside, entice a whole bunch of people to FOMO short, stop out all the longs. Now we're getting a bounce. I highly recommend everybody go back, watch the video I uploaded this morning, because it explains exactly what I was looking for, why I was looking for it, and how we could have predicted such a volatile move like this. And of course, we did have the plan in advance, and we are the ones that are benefiting from this price action in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. By the way, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, guys, go to jasoncaspertrading.com. This is not a signals group. This is an educational group. You will learn a lot in this group. Go ahead, click the link to join the VIP Discord. Also, if you want to learn how to trade this way so you can come to a blank chart and make a plan like what we do every single day here, check out the 25% discount on these trading courses. Link in the description and the pinned comment. Also, if you want to take advantage of the volatility trading these markets long and short along with us, check out MEXC. This is my new favorite exchange. You will not find a better deal on fees. 0% limit order fees, 33% off discount on market order fees. If you click my link, you can also not only get these benefits, but up to $9,000 sign-up bonus. Of course, only do this if you know how to trade. But ByBit is no longer allowing people to trade in the United States. If you are looking for a great exchange to trade on, I highly recommend MEXC and Bitget. So what does this now mean for Bitcoin? Well, let's talk about the current situation. We have come down to the bottom of the range with bullish divergences, right? We have a very deep momentum wave, then a very shallow momentum wave, giving us that juicy, uneven butt cheek pattern. We can see this right now on the 8-hour time frame. We see it on the 4-hour, the 2-hour, the 1-hour, the 24-minute, the 12-minute. In my opinion, this very well could be a significant bottom, which means my next target is going to be 28,000, and then my target after that is going to be around 29 to 29.5. Now, doesn't mean we're guaranteed to get there, right? I highly recommend taking profits while in profit. That's what I always do, lock in a profit stop loss to the entry. But here's what we need to be very careful of. Because we've officially potentially now put in a low lower than this one, we are in bearish market structure locally with a high, a low, a lower high, and now a lower low, which means when we come back up to the key resistance around 29,000 to 29,500, we have a major confluence. We have the Fibonacci golden pocket, we have the value area high of the range, and we have a weekly area of resistance. So we need to be careful that we don't get another rejection from here and continue in this downtrend. This is going to be my next major area where I will actually look to potentially short Bitcoin if I see some bearish signs at that level. But if we can reclaim this level, it will actually, in my opinion, be very bullish. Why? Because we've come down to the historic low. It has literally been our support since the 18th of March 2023. So we're talking 2 months being support with some very bullish divergences on some higher term timeframes with money flow getting higher. So in my opinion, this is a very bullish looking bottom. Now, if we fail to even come up high and we just start to drop even lower, the key level that I am going to be aware of right now is this one right here at about 26,477. This is going to be very key because if the price dips below here, even if it just wicks down and then gets a bounce back up, this is now officially flipping into macro bearish market structure, where on the daily time frame, we will be putting in a lower low, lower than the low we put in back in March. In my opinion, if we just fail to get a bounce from here and start to put in lower lows, I will be looking for much more downside, potentially finding support around the $23,000 level, which is the breakdown target of this giant head and shoulders pattern that we've been looking at now for a number of months, potentially forming. So those are the two major levels that I am looking at right now. Hope you found this video very informative. May God bless everybody in the name of Jesus the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are very blessed. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell, and I will see everybody in the next video. Peace!